Pakistan Navy has shown interest in Anka-S Medium-Altitude Long-Endurance drone made by Turkish Aerospace Industries. Anka-S is a satellite communications-equipped variant of the drone. It has an endurance of 24 hours and when using a line-of-sight radio data link it has a range of 200 kilometers. It has a service ceiling of 30,000 feet and is capable of carrying 200 kilograms in electro-optical or infrared equipment and precision-guided munitions. It performs day and night, all-weather reconnaissance, target detection, identification and intelligence missions, featuring autonomous flight capability including automatic takeoff and landing. Its ordnance options include Roketsan UMTAS guided missile, CRT laser guided rocket and MAM-L miniature guided missile.